Here's a gem, and it's free. There are blessings in the word no. Did you know that? Many people, they hate being told no. Many people are afraid of the word no. There is power in the word no. Check it. The Hebrew word for no is al, just like that, al, which sounds like the name owl, and also the sound effects ow. Owl means no in Hebrew. It is spelled aleph. Aleph is the first letter in Hebrew, which is equivalent to the letter A in English. The second letter of no in Hebrew, owl, is lamed. Lamed is equivalent to L. Aleph, lamed. Put them together, you get the word no. You also get the word God. That's right. No and God is spelled the same way in Hebrew. God is spelled aleph, lamed, pronounced ale. God in Hebrew is pronounced ale, like you're drinking ginger ale, which I only drink when I'm sick. Ale is Hebrew for God, spelled aleph, lamed. No is spelled aleph, lamed in Hebrew. Let me repeat that. God and the word no is spelled the same exact way. Aleph, lamed. Now, you spell God backwards, lamed, aleph, you get the word no. The word no in Hebrew is also low. Low is spelled lamed, aleph. In other words, family, in Hebrew, one word for no is aleph, lamed, which is the same spelling as el, which means God. Aleph, lamed also means no, it also means God. However, another word for no is low, which is spelled lamed, aleph. Lamed, aleph means no, and it's pronounced low. In summary, God spelled backwards is no. God spelled correctly in Hebrew means no, and no spelled backwards in Hebrew means no. Hopefully I'm not confusing you, family, but this is deep. You may have to watch this a few times. Watch as many times as you can. This is powerful. This blew my mind when I first found this out. Lo means no in Hebrew. Al means no in Hebrew. The spelling for God, El, which is aleph, lamed, aleph, lamed, is the same word for no, which is pronounced al, which is aleph, lamed. In other words, no means no. No means low, and low means no. The Hebrew letters are powerful. For the first letter in Hebrew is aleph. It's an ox head. It's literally a picture, family. It's a picture of an ox head. That's right. It means strong. It means power. It means leader. The letter Lamed, which is equivalent to L in English, it means to pull towards. It means to bind. It means to teach. It means to yoke. It is a shepherd's staff in Hebrew. It's a literal picture. It's literally a picture of a shepherd's staff where the shepherd will pull in their sheep. That's right, family. The word no in Hebrew. We went over 2 words. We're going to go over the first one as we close. The first word, family, for no that we went over is al. Al is spelled Aleph Lamed, which is the same spelling for the word God, Aleph Lamed. When we are serving our Creator through action and words, we are connecting to our Creator. We connect with our Creator when we say no to evil. That's right. The word no, the second word that we went over for no in Hebrew is lo. Check this out. Lo is spelled Lamed Aleph. Here's a secret. When we say no to evil, when we follow our Creator, we are Lamed. We are moving towards. We are being pulled towards. We are yoked. We are bound to Aleph, to power. We are moving towards power when we say no to evil. Let me say that again. When we say no to evil, we are moving towards power. Aleph, the first letter of the Hebrew alphabet, it also means God. When we say no to evil, we are Lamed. We are moving towards Aleph, God. There are 613 commandments. It's been quoted. I'll say that. It's been quoted that there are 613 laws in the Torah. 248 are positive. 365 are negative. How many days are in a year? 365. That's right. 365 days. Let's go over this as we close, family. I know this is a lot, but this blew my mind when I first tapped into this. The word for no in Hebrew, we'll go over the first word we went over, is al, which means no. Al, Aleph Lamed. When we say no to unrighteousness, to evil, to Satan, we are emulating El, Aleph Lamed, God. Spell God backwards, you get the word no, which is pronounced in Hebrew lo, which is lamed aleph. When we shut down evil and say no, we are moving towards God. All praises, all honor to our great King.